Hey guys, just wanted to talk a little bit about how to track your containers. And I wanted to share with you one way that I really like to track my containers is using this 21 Day Fix app. And I know it's made for Apple. This is what the icon looks like, 21 Day Fix Tracker. If you search that in the App Store, you will find this. And this is really great because it takes you through every single portion of the program. You have your introduction, and it tells about, your eating plan, using your calendar for your workouts, making sure you do those workouts. There's also some transformation trackers on the Beachbody blog, and if you submit your results at the end, they avoid cash prizes for that. So that's something you may want to consider when you have your before and after results. Finding your reason why. This is something that we will talk about in group, and I'll be asking you to post about why you're doing this. And then finally, getting support, and that's where our accountability group is going to come in. This also tells you your containers. You can see all your containers are listed here, and if you need to know what is on the approved food list for that container, you can simply just scroll down the list and it will tell you everything. My thought on this is so helpful at the grocery store when you're, looking up, well, what kind of blues do I need to buy? Well, these are the blues that I can have, those healthy fats. So this one might be a really great resource for you when you're grocery shopping. The actual tracker itself, tracking your food for the day, you just press what day you're on, and then it tells you, what your current weight is, what your workout is for the day, and then it shows you your portions here. So, for example, if I had breakfast, and let's say I had eggs, I had 2 eggs, so 2 eggs is worth 1 protein, and then I had 1 green of spinach mixed in with that, and let's say then I also had half of a whole wheat bagel. So that would be what that would be counted as, and I just hit done, and it automatically tells me there for breakfast I had a yellow, a red, a green, and then it shows me what I have left for the day. So, and then you would put in your lunch and dinner for the day. So that's really great. Then there's also talk about the 3-day quick fix, which we talked a little bit about in the video when I showed you everything you got in your package. This tells you about the 3-day quick fix. It tells you exactly what you can have for each meal throughout the day, days 1, 2, and 3, which is really nice. And then there's a maintenance, and then the transformation tracker, which is really helpful also because you want to make sure you take these measurements, because even if you're not seeing a ton of pounds lost, you're likely to see several inches lost. So make sure that you take those before and after measurements. If you are not so much of a electronic kind of person, I am. I love my electronics. I could not be without them. There are also paper trackers. I found a lot of these on Pinterest. But I will tell you, I was so overwhelmed when I started my first round of the 21 Day Fix. This was a super help to me. And this is kind of my Bible. And every day, I knew that this was in my calorie bracket range. So this included every color container that I needed. So I just kind of stuck with this. Every morning for breakfast, I made sure I had a yellow, a purple, and a red. And then I knew my morning snack was going to be that green and that blue. And I just really stuck with this until I had a better handle on how I could move containers around throughout the day, when I was making my meals and things like that. So this really kind of became my Bible in a way for me to make sure that, I was getting all the containers in. I also really like trackers like this. You can find these on Pinterest again. Of course, this is for the 1200 calorie bracket range. It's the first one, and then you write down what you have for each meal, and then as you have those containers, you just check them off. You just X them off and know that you're done with those for the day. And this does 3 days at a time. So you have your breakfast and all your snacks, and those are the containers you get for that day, and just mark them off as you go. So I hope you guys find some of these things helpful as ways to track your containers and make sure that you're staying on track and getting in all of your containers that you're supposed to have. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.